Good morning guys, in front of me is iPhone and let me show you how to manage volume settings. So at first open the settings, then go to sounds and haptics, and right here you've got ringtone and other volume. So smooth it by using this scale. You can manage it however you like. You can also activate the function change with buttons. So once it is active, you can use volume up and down button to change ringtone and other volume. Once it is deactivated, you can use those buttons to change system sounds, also to volume it up and down. So that's it. Actually, these are all options with volume. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.